Audi's infotainment system is controlled by something called MMI. That stands for Multimedia Interface, and it's a very large screen right here paired to, in the proud German tradition, a click wheel and some buttons. It's not a touch screen, even though it's within touching distance. It encompasses telephone connection, Audi Connect, which we'll talk about separately, navigation, any sort of media connection, Bluetooth to your phone, radio, satellite, AM, FM, and any of the car's settings. So let's take a look at this. First, there's a phone connection, which you can have by Bluetooth. You can look at your voicemail, enter a number, directory, etc. There is also, for navigation, you'll notice this Google symbol down here at the bottom. That's because Audi pulls data from Google Earth. Let's enter in a destination. One of the best ways of doing that on this is with Google and a voice search. It can do that because of this 3G, in this case, data connection. Online destination, Diesel Cafe, Somerville.
Online destinations.
It doesn't have to rely on its own internal database. Instead, it can go to the internet just the way that you would and search for what I feel is the best coffee shop in Somerville, Massachusetts. And there it is, right there. 1.
Pardon? Diesel Cafe has been accepted. Please say start route guidance or show.
And there you go. How easy is that? So if you know the name of something, if you know that you want to go to the Westfield Shopping Plaza, you can find that just the same way you would by searching online. And that's the power of having a nav system that is connected to the cloud versus being just connected to its own internal memory. Let's go back here to the menu and also see you have a media connection. You can connect up to an iPhone, and that will load up, and at the same time your navigation directions will still be displaying on this screen right here. If I want to listen to my Lionel Richie all night long, here I go. I'm playing it off my phone, and I can control my phone using this car-designed interface rather than fiddling and fumbling with my phone or blocking the navigation screen. There are also car setup as well. In this case, it has different drive modes which will firm up the suspension and change the steering feedback and feel. And that's, that's something which is not changed very often, so it's good to hide it away in here. You can also look at individual preferences. You can even download the owner's manual and look at it on the screen. Audi allows you to enter in information either using this click wheel and choosing letter by letter, or it also has handwriting recognition. So if I want to type in the city of Medford, I can write it in. There we go. And we've got it. Now that comes in handy with languages that don't use Western characters, and that's something that was developed originally for some of the Asian markets that is also helpful in writing things in rather than using that click wheel.